Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Epic Game Launcher on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Epic Games. And the first link which will appear here will be from epicgames.com. So I'm going to just click on this link. And when you click on the epicgame.com website link, it's going to open this kind of website. So in order to get the Epic Game Launcher, you just need to click on this option which says Get Epic Games, which is in the blue, and I'm going to just click on this option and it's going to download the epic installer.msi file, right? So once this epic installer.msi file is downloaded, just click on this MSI file and I'm going to minimize my browser. And it's going to start the installer for Epic Game Launcher. So you can see Epic Game Launcher setup. So this will be the default location where Epic Game Launcher will be installed on your Windows 11 operating system. If you want to change this location, click on change and then choose the destination. But if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just click on the install button, which is going to start the installation of Epic Game Launcher. In between, you will see this warning. Click on yes here, which is going to just continue the installation of Epic Game Launcher on your Windows 11 operating system. So you can see it's installing Epic Game Launcher. Just wait for this progress bar to reach to the 100% mark. And in between, you will be able to see this warning again. You just need to click on yes here, which is going to continue the process of Epic Game Launcher installation. And I can also see that this Epic Game Launcher shortcut icon has been created on my desktop. So once the process is finished, you will be able to see this Epic Game Launcher icon, and then you just need to click on this Epic Game Launcher icon, which is going to start the Epic Game Launcher. And once it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? I will click on yes. And now it says it's installing prerequisites here, so I'm going to wait for that. And now you can see the Epic Game Launcher has been started on my Windows 11 operating system. The first step here is you need to log in with one of your accounts. If you have already created your Epic Game account, you can just select that account. Otherwise, you can just click on the sign up option and then you can sign up for that using all these options. So Epic Game Launcher supports Facebook, Google and other logins. So you can choose one of these logins and then create the Epic Game account, and then you will be able to use Epic Game Launcher on your Windows 11 operating system. So this is how you can download and install Epic Game Launcher on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.